Is somebody copying your packaging on Amazon? If so, I'm going to be showing you how to get their entire listing removed via copyright infringement. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO and founder of EHP Consulting Group, and if you stay till the end of this video, I'm going to be giving you 3 extra tips on copyright infringement. Let's dive in. Alright, so first you're going to log into Amazon Seller Central. Once you're logged into Amazon Seller Central, you're going to go to brandregistry.amazon.com and you're going to sign up and or log in if you already have an account. If you don't have an account, make sure that when you log in and sign up, you're signed up with the same exact email and password as your Seller Central account, just so it gets linked. After that, you're going to have to enroll a trademark. That's just Amazon's policies. If you need help with a trademark, we can help you get one in under 7 days. But you can enroll your brand right here. Make sure you do have a trademark. Once you have that, then you can submit all the copyright patent violations that you want. So you're going to click report a violation, and now you need to find the ASIN. And here's an example of an ASIN that we found, and it was copying our client's packaging. You can see our client's packaging right here. Hickaway stops hiccups fast, and it says Hickaway hiccup straw imitation, just like the real thing. And you can see they not only did they steal the images, but more importantly, they stole our packaging. You can see our packaging right here. And if we go to our official website, Hickaway's official website, you can see it shows the packaging as the first image. So we're going to get that listing ASIN and you're going to copy it. It starts with B as in boy, and you're going to input it right here. Next, you're going to want to remove the entire listing. So click that entire listing, and then you're going to report copyright infringement. You're going to click the first one. The physical product or its packaging contains copyrighted content. Next, you're going to make sure you click the correct brand name that's related to this product, and you're going to click link to copyrighted work. So now you're going to put a link to your copyrighted work, and Amazon loves websites. So to do this successfully, I recommend you have a website with that photo as like the first image, just like this one right here. It shows the first image as the product packaging, and it's the official website. So we're going to put that official website right here. And then for the please provide more information, all we have to do is copy the same template that Amazon gives us, pretty much verbatim. So you can put the image on the product detail page of ASIN. You can put the product packaging on the product detail page of this ASIN is the same, copies our packaging. It's the same packaging as on the first image of our website, and you put the link to the website. Say, since they are copying our product packaging and it's very apparent, please remove ASIN from Amazon. That's what you're going to say. You're going to submit it, and it should get approved. If you have stayed till the end, I really appreciate it. And here's 3 extra tips. So my 3 extra tips are going to monitor and submission history. Make sure you monitor the request and see if it was approved or denied. Sometimes it takes a week or so. If it was approved, you're good to go. The listing will be taken down. If it was denied, the first thing you want to do is check your email and see why was it denied. Amazon should email you an explanation. Maybe you weren't specific enough, they wanted more details. Number 2 is you can go to submission history if it was denied and escalate it. There's an escalation button where you can contact somebody from brand registry and attach documents, right? You can't attach documents here, but you can when you have to escalate it. So you go to submission history, there's an escalation button, and escalate it, and then put PDFs showing that like they obviously copied your website's product packaging. It's on there, it's all legitimate. And then finally, you may need to do a test buy. So you might have to go to this listing, click add to cart make sure it's the same login that you're using for brand registry. Go to add to cart, order it, make sure it's delivered, and then go to your orders, copy the order ID, and then put that in your infringement request. Say I actually did an order, a test buy, here's the order ID, and it has fake packaging. It's copying my packaging. That's going to increase your chances of success by around 95%. And those are my pro tips in today's video. I hope you get those fakes removed, and if you can't, feel free to contact EHP Consulting Group. Not only do we specialize in counterfeit removal, but we also specialize in full account Amazon management to increase your sales, remove fakes, customer service, and everything in between. If you need help, contact EHP Consulting Group. This is what we specialize in. Signing out.